Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to transform your night photo in EPIK photo editor. So first, what you need to do is import your night mode photo to EPIK and then go to filters and then find retro and choose Hong Kong. This one's right here. You can adjust it if you want, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. And then go to adjust and click on HSL here and at the orange color, the second color, lower the saturation into -50 and then add the lightness into +70 like so. And then after that, click on the check icon and then go to warm, still on adjust, find warmth and then lower it into -30 or around 33 or 34. Okay, and then after that you can also add some bokeh effects by going to effects and then find blur and here choose bokeh blur. This one's right here and you can adjust it, adjust the intensity into -15 and then the edge into 0 like this. And here is the final result. So here is the before and here is the after for the night mode photo. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.